and group, attention!
Welcome back everyone. As you can see, our stage is set for a spectacular morning of art, craft and science. Let's welcome our esteemed chief guest, His Grace, the Most Reverend Vincentine, Archbishop of Ranchi, with a warm round of applause.
It is with great pleasure I would like to call our young and promising pupil, Anushka, to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest. Please come to the stage, Anushka.
Esteemed guests, parents, teachers and students, it is with great joy and honor that I welcome our chief guest, the Most Reverend Vincent Ian, the Archbishop of Ranchi. Your Grace, you have dedicated your life to serving the Lord and His people. Ordained a priest on April 30th, 1984, you have been a beacon of faith and guidance for countless souls. Your pursuit of knowledge is evident in your academic achievements. You have studied economics at St. Joseph's College, Darjeeling, philosophy at Morning Star Regional Seminary, Barrackpur, and theology at St. Joseph's Seminary, Mangalore. Your thirst for wisdom led you to further your studies, earning a master's degree in English literature, a bachelor's degree in economics, a licentiate in philosophy from Pune, and a doctorate in philosophy from the Pontifical Gregorian University, Rome. In 2015, you were appointed as the Bishop of Baghdad, a significant milestone in your ecclesiastical journey. You served in this role until December 30, 2023, when you were elevated to the esteemed position of Archbishop of Ranchi Archdiocese. Today, we are privileged to have you grace our school with your presence. Your visit to the Art, Craft and Science exhibition is a testament of your encouragement to young minds and your passion for education. We are inspired by your commitment of fostering creativity, innovation and intellectual growth. On behalf of the entire school community, I extend a very warm welcome.
Welcome to His Grace, the Most Reverend Vincentine Archbishop of Ranchi. Thank you, Anushka, once again.
And now, with a heart filled with gratitude, I extend a very warm welcome to Father Anthony Hebron, Secretary of our school, Father Joseph Kiran.
Thank you, Mandy. I now bring the prayer dance. It's a time for a beautiful prayer dance choreographed by Mrs. Neil Bainey and performed by the students of 6 and 7.
जिसने रचा ये संसार, जिसने रचा ये संसार, हर पल उसका कर अभिनंदन। जिसने रचा ये संसार, हर पल उसका कर अभिनंदन। उसको नमन करूं मैं, उसका भजन करूं मैं। उसको नमन करूं मैं, उसका भजन करूं मैं। जिसने रचाया ये संसार, वो सब
With a heart filled with gratitude, I extend a very warm welcome to Father Manoj Kullu, Principal St. Francis Banora, for coming to grace our art, craft and science exhibition.
of the young dancers were in a way inspiring.
Melodious welcome song prepared by Sir Anil and Sister Vibha and performed by the school choir.
We are so glad you're here for us today. We are glad you came. This is the day that will last
we have a vibrant theme dance choreographed by Mrs. Sonali Das and Miss Shushmita and performed by the students of Standard 4 and 5.
With are the four elements: Jal, Akash, Vayu, Agni. मैं हर रंग, रूप और आकार में ढल जाता हूँ, तभी तो चंचल शीतल जल कहलाता हूँ। अंधेरा चला जाता है, मैं अग्नि हूँ, मुझे भस्म करना
Like that. ताल से ताल मिला हो, ताल से ताल मिला।
तारे ही समाये मुझ में ही छाए प्रकाश, पक्षी भरे उड़ान मुझ में, मैं हूँ नीला आकाश। मेरे इशारे से मौसम का रंग
What
रही सबसे अनजानी, अब उन्हीं को करती हूँ जो है ठानी। चले जैसे हवाएं सनम सनम, उड़े जैसे परिंदे गगन।
आकाश, वायु, अग्नि समेटे हुए मैं आज हूँ, नहीं मेरा कोई कल।
अब हम इंसान इस धरती पर आराम से रह सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे पास बिल्डिंग्स है, फैक्ट्रीज है, मॉल्स है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स है। हा 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 हा। अब मैं ये सब ट्री कट करके यहाँ पर हाईवे बनाऊंगा।
है जो लहू मेरा बहता चला, देखो जुनू मेरा कहता चला। ख्वाबों का थामका जो बहता चला।
I give you fruits. I am a tree, I give you medicine. I am a tree, I give you oxygen. I am a tree, I give you environment.
धक 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 धक
That was a burst of color and energy. The young dancers stole the show with their enthusiasm and creativity. Didn't they? I'm sure they did.
The choir is back with another performance, this time with a title song on the theme Heal the World, prepared by Sir Adil and Sister Vibha.
Brighter than
sure you would agree the choir's versatility was really impressive. They moved from one genre to another with such ease, didn't they?
Yes, they did. It's time for a special moment. I now, with a very humble heart request, our chief guest, His Grace, the Most Reverend Vincentine, Archbishop of Ranchi, to please share with us his words of wisdom.
Very Reverend Father Shaji, the principal of St. Francis School, Harmo, Very Reverend Father Anthony Hemram, the secretary of the school, and Very Reverend Father Isidore, the principal from St. Aloysius School next door, and the headmaster of St. Francis School, Banhora, Reverend Father Manoj Kullu, Reverend Sisters, Honorable Teachers, teaching and non-teaching staff, the guardians, parents, well-wishers, and my dear children, all the students of St. Francis School. First of all, I want to thank you very much for having invited me for this very, not only colorful day, but a very meaningful effort from the part of the students in particular of St. Francis School, Harmo, with this very inspiring thing called exhibition, art, craft and science exhibition. While there are stalls waiting to be inaugurated and visited by all of us, I would like to underline the fact that the exhibition is not only limited to the stalls, but I think it has begun already from all that has been presented so far. The students have impressed me very much with their emceeing, their presenting the word of welcome, word of introduction to various items. I'm quite impressed by the memory and the perfection with which every single MC presented himself or herself with the item that he or she was supposed to introduce. Very impeccable manner, wonderful, and equally good and exquisite have been the dances, the singing, very well prepared, well executed, and there was truly a piece of art in everything they have presented, in the manner they danced, in the manner they performed, in the manner they sang. Everything is a piece of art. And today, with this exhibition of art, craft and science, I'm sure the children are trying to showcase their hidden talents, their imagination, their intelligence, and their ability to combine what they learn from the textbook in the classroom and what they can do from their own inspiration, from their own imagination, and from their own hard work. Even if something of it with the help of the teachers, something of it with the help of their parents, whatever it be, but ultimately it is each student's own effort to translate the imagination, translate the artistic sense, translate the aspiration into reality of some kind. We would surely remember today, one time, our very honorable and favorite President of India. I'm sure everyone has heard his name because he is such a famous man. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was a genius, was a learned man, was a scientist of his own caliber, and along with it, a very, very ideal gentleman. All the themes that you have presented in your dance, in your song, in your presentation, I would find many of these qualities in that great personality, APJ Abdul Kalam, the one-time President of India. These are his famous words. He had said in one exposition of this kind, exhibition of some school science exhibition, he had said, imagination leads to creativity. Creativity blossoms thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. I repeat, imagination leads to creativity. Creativity blossoms thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. How true are his words. I am sure the children today who are showcasing their imagination will do that also in their creativity. Whatever they have presented in those stalls will be a sign of their creativity. And to be creative, they must have done a lot of thinking. And this thinking was very much backed by, supported by knowledge which they have gathered from reading some literature, reading some scientific theories and researches, and this knowledge must be making them feel great, and I'm sure eventually they will be even greater than what they are today. We would remember today a few names. I cannot make a long list of many scientists, many inventors, but a few just for sample. I'm sure many of you have heard the name Thomas Alva Edison. Yes? Of course. Now, thanks to him that we have electric bulb and we know how to have electrical lighting system, which has improved by far, but he was the first to invent it. To invent it, he must have imagined. He must have been very creative, and that led him to thinking, to translate his imagination into reality. He was definitely, and that thinking needed support of knowledge, good theory, and this knowledge made him great, a memorable person for all the rest of time. Thomas Edison. Thanks to him that we have electricity, the electric bulb. Then we have Ranchi Airport, and we must be seeing aeroplanes taking off and landing. If not seeing, at least from classroom hearing some noise of the flying aircraft over our school building. Imagine, there was a time when man never thought he could fly. Who could fly? Only those who have wings. Man has no wings. Man has no wings. How can he fly? Some of them did try making artificial wings and jumping off the cliff, and they either died or broke their limbs. And yet, thanks to Wright brothers, yes, not wrong, right, but spelling is W-R-I-G-H-T. Yes, Wright brothers, they proved that this imagination of man flying could be turned into reality. Thanks to them. Of course, today, after so many years, so many decades, that science has improved by far. Today we are not only flying from one place to another within the globe Earth, but we are even going beyond. We are going to the moon, going to the Mars, not yet human beings, but human beings landed in moon, of course. But it
Please grace this moment by conferring this honor upon your grace.
Deeply indebted to our beloved principal, Reverend Father Shaji, for this kind gesture. And now, to express our sincere gratitude, I would like to call Mishika to deliver the vote of thanks.
Esteemed Chief Guest, Most Reverend Vincent Ein, the Archbishop of Ranchi, respected principals of various schools, valued parents, dear students from different schools, hard-working teachers, and our ever-supportive support staff. As we stand here today, a feeling of immense pride and gratitude fills our heart. On behalf of the entire St. Francis School family, I extend our heartfelt thanks to each one of you. First and foremost, we express our deepest gratitude to our esteemed Chief Guest, Most Reverend Vincent Ein, the Archbishop of Ranchi. Your presence has been an honor, and your inspiring words have ignited a spark within us. We are indebted to the distinguished principals of various schools for taking their time out of their busy schedule to witness this exhibition. Your support has not only enriched our event but also fostered a sense of enthusiasm among our young minds. To the students who have come from St. Kuldeep School, your curious eyes and enthusiastic spirit have breathed life into our exhibition. Your presence has made this event memorable. Our heartfelt thanks goes to the parents who have nurtured and encouraged their children. Your belief in us has been our driving force. We owe debt of gratitude to our dedicated teachers who have poured their heart and soul into making this exhibition a reality. Their tireless efforts and unwavering support have been the backbone of our success. Last but not least, we acknowledge the invaluable contributions of our support staff. Their hard work and dedication has ensured seamless execution of this event. We assure you, we will carry with us the warmth of your presence and the inspiration of your support. Thank you once again for being a part of this event. Thank you.
Thank you, Mishika. I now, with folded hands, invite our Chief Guest, His Grace, the Most Reverend Vincent Ein, Archbishop of Ranchi, along with Sister Angeline, Mrs. Mamta, to grace this occasion with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp.
Teddy bear, that's right. Yes.
So, here comes the moment we have all been waiting for. The inauguration of Art, Craft and Science exhibition. With a heart thumping with excitement, I place a very humble, most reverend Vincent Ine, Archbishop of Ranchi, to officially inaugurate the Art, Craft and Science exhibition in Avexiko 2024.
One is there. You pour it using that. Keep it this way. You pour it using that. That end. Using this one, you pour this. You have to pour it fast and move back. Together.
This one, eh?
Yeah.
You have to come back.
You have to pour it in this. Together. You have to pour it fast together. And then move it in the back.
Let me say 1, 2, 3, you start.
1, 2, 3. And soap solution.
So, here comes the moment we have all been waiting for. The inauguration of Art, Craft and Science exhibition. With a heart thumping with excitement, I place a very humble request before our esteemed chief guest, His Grace
Let us now accompany His Grace as he embarks on a journey of discovery, exploring the remarkable creations of our talented students.
We trust you'll all enjoy exploring exhibits on display. Thank you all for your gracious presence. Until we meet next, chew upon this. Hunger for appreciation is more than hunger for food. So, please do not stop yourself from sharing the words of appreciation wherever you deem fit. May good God shower upon you His choicest blessings. Hope you have a nice day ahead.
We would also like to extend a heartfelt thanks to our beloved principal, Reverend Father Shaji, for his tireless effort in organizing this event. His dedication and vision has truly made this day memorable. We are eternally grateful for the opportunity to be a part of this wonderful institution.
May God bless us all. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Once the plastic is collected, we will transport all the waste in a recycling cycle. After that, there are a lot of steps in cycle cycle. I will go through step one by one. At the first, we have sorting in which plastic.
Here's a very humble request to parents. I'm sure you're all very excited to get in. and see for yourself exactly what your children have done, and of course the rest of the children as well. But for that, we have to wait for a little bit. I'll let you know why. Because the chief guest is there at the counter, listen to these kids, your kids in fact, very patiently. So once the chief guest has actually seen one with the other guests, we'll definitely open the exhibition for you. And please feel free, enjoy, ask questions, and make sure you motivate these kids, because it actually goes a very, very long way. Whatever you say today is that you will have an impact. So all you need to do is just wait for a little while. Please be a little more patient.
Good morning. Classic? Always.
In the beginning, we collect all the plastic waste at one place. Once the plastic is collected, we will transport all the plastic waste in that side case. Now there are a lot of technologies at the front we are sorting rose water and carbon. Separate all the plastic.
Available.
First we are plastic waste, then dry waste, then waste, which can be further recycled for the future.
How will it be for smell?
In which we have a shredding machine that will grind all the biggest and plastic.
It will not be
difficult
to breathe.
Those shredded plastic will be going under a
Thank
process
you.
for washing in this tank.
Okay. Yeah.
I'd like to extend a very, very warm welcome to all of you right here. Just see what your child is capable of. And of course, all other kids of his or her age. But we just require your cooperation, a bit of a patience, because the chief guests and the other guests who we invited to the school, they are there listening to your kids, in fact. And so they have a lot to say, and they have a lot to give back to children. In fact, their feedback is going to work wonders in their life. So I'll expect you all to be patient. I'm sure you're already patient right now, but a little more patience will actually get this event smoothly running. So thank you all very much for being patient, and just a little more while. And you'll be there at the counter listening to your children and other children patiently. And please don't forget to inspire them a little bit of encouragement, few words of wisdom to go along with it. So therefore, if you feel something about the exhibition, the way it is feeling, so on, please don't forget to inspire them, to motivate them, speak to them, encourage them. As I said, so go along. Thank you all very much. And thanks for the patience.
Comes back to its initial position. Because of this, the bridge has come down. A green signal is given, and the vehicles which are waiting can pass through. Some examples of hydraulic bridges include London Bridge, Pamban Bridge, etc. Thank you. That's all. Yes, sir. And yes, sir, this is a crane, normal crane.
Thank you. This is a hydraulic crane.
So, it has 6 syringes in total, and which have their own significant importance. When we have applied pressure on the first control syringe A, a force is created on the syringe B, because of which we can grab the load. When we apply pressure on the second control syringe C, a force is created on the syringe D, because of which now we can lift the load. When we apply pressure on the third control syringe, syringe control F, a force is applied on the syringe F, because of which now we can turn the handle of the crane.
Easier and faster. Thank you. All the best.
Game later.
I have to write. What is this? Review board.
Good morning, welcome to our stall. Please talk about
So I have to
6, 8, 11.
complete this long way to go.
Welcome to our stall. And our topic is medicinal plants. So today we are going to
Selling something.
some of the medicinal plants like turmeric, onion, neem, curry leaves, mint, tulsi, English fenugreek, in Hindi we say methi, garlic, ginger, coriander and amla. As you can see, there are different types of oil extraction factories also, from where the oil is extracted and the products are. These are the products and the oils which we have extracted from this plant. It is ginger, it is mint, and it is onion. It is very sweet.
Oh.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our stall, Healing Herbs Heaven. As our topic is medicinal plants, so today we are going to show you some types of medicinal plants, like it is turmeric, onion, neem, curry leaves, mint, tulsi. We have fenugreek leaves. In Hindi we say methi, garlic, ginger, coriander, and we have amla. And there are different types of oil extraction factories from where the oil is extracted. As you can see that. And these are the products which we get from the plant. And these all oils are naturally extracted. This is ginger, this is mint, this is onion, and this is fenugreek leaves. And the fenugreek seeds, aloe vera, this is tulsi, this is turmeric, this is garlic, this is aloe vera gel, this is amla, and this is coriander seeds, and this is the methi as fenugreek leaves. So, and it is very helpful for us in our daily lives. Yes, Father.
Easily available.
Yes, and it is very good for our health, and there is no side effects of these or the plants. Yes, Father. Yes, Father. Thank you, Father. Have a nice good morning. Good morning. Yes, we will go for these natural herbal medicines. Yes. Yes. Yes, sister.
One hang in a
which often allows ships and boats to pass through the system to raise and lower the district. As you can see, we have created a wooden handling system for the ships to rise some examples are Havra Bridge, then London Bridge, etc. Member Bridge also. 660. And you can see there are different types of oil factories from where the oil is extracted. And as you can see, there are different types of oil. These all oils are naturally extracted by us, and these all are the products which we get from plants. This is ginger, and this is mint, this is onion, this is the fenugreek seeds, this is aloe vera, this is tulsi, this is turmeric, this is garlic, and this is aloe vera gel, this is amla, this is coriander seeds, and this is fenugreek leaves. Instead of using aromatic medicines in your daily life, we suggest you to use this natural herbs as it has no side effects. It is very helpful for us in our daily life.
Here we have the Egyptian civilization. It is one of the most appealing ancient civilization in history. It is the Egyptian civilization. Yes, and it is mostly famous for the pharaohs and the mummies and the pyramids. We have a lot of interesting facts to tell. So firstly, we will begin with the settlement of the Egyptian civilization.
The Egyptian civilization settled behind the river Nile just because the river Nile provided the water for agriculture, and the nearby land was also fertile because of that. It also the Greek historian Herodotus had called the Egyptian the gift of land.
Good morning, sister.
Good morning, sister.
Sustainable city known as Sustainopia. It is powered by four renewable sources of energy, that is biomass, solar, wind energy and hydroelectricity. So first of all it is biomass. The waste of these animals in a farm or zoo, it is collected first of all here, then it's processed in this factory. This is not a working model, just a demonstration. So it is processed and then it's converted into biogas or electricity that can be used to power these cars in an eco-friendly manner, as they will not emit any carbon dioxide.
Our city is equipped with solar panels on the powerhouse. These panels will convert sunlight into electricity, providing energy for our daily needs. As you can see, the solar panels over here. The solar panels store electricity, sunlight in day, and release the sunlight into the night. As you can see, the light bulb is lighting up. I would like to continue.
So we have made a model with source contribution of mathematics in different fields. We have chosen 6 fields. This is the field of economics, in which we can see calculator uses basic mathematics such as subtraction, addition, etc. And this is money counter, which also uses basic mathematics such as 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a graph which shows inflation and deflation of stock market, and traders also use mathematics to calculate the graph. Next we will move upon the space, and in space we can see that
Because it is not possible to decompose because it requires 24 hours, more than 24 hours. Thank you, Father.
all the best.
Good morning, Father. Yes, Father. Yes. So it is about the revolt of 1857, where we have shown the different cases where the revolt took place and also the leaders of those places. And there you can see there were many factors that led to this revolt. And that's all.
How many soldiers were killed?
There were like numerous. We cannot have a count of the soldiers who were
No,
killed.
in that particular place, that Jallianwala Bagh, there is a number of soldiers killed there. Find out.
No, Father, this is about the revolt of 1857. That is the first war.
In 1957 also there was a revolt in India, Jallianwala Bagh, against the British.
Yes.
Where is my prize? I get correct.
Oh, you guys just come. Father, we also have a puzzle. If you can solve it out.
Puzzle?
Yes, Father.
Father, map of India.
Father, you have to puzzle out.
It will take some time, no?
Morning. Sister, we have a game. Would you like to play that?
Parents, please come in and look at the projects that you have made and post others also.
If you get the correct answer, then you get a
Please show
5
us
star.
appreciation whenever you get it.
5 star. And the year. Yes. And 5 stars that I'm chocolate nahi. And give another puzzle. Sister, we have a puzzle also. Good morning, Bhaiya. have the number 3 and the second slot as if they are respective stairs. So you can choose any number between 1 to 15 to see the squares. Choose a number, right?
There is a lot of traffic just because of the unavailability of the parking spaces. So our model just sorts out this problem. Now, we have used
tires of the other first car, update the slot. Likewise, it will happen to every car, and the driver beforehand can know that the parking is full or empty.
Denotes the area of the respective square. So it means that A square is equal to the area of this square and B square is equal to the area of this square. So when we will
there is all the we are living, all the man is living, and so there is all destruction. We have tried to depict it. Slum is there, nuclear waste is there, and further look that on one side we have tried to depict all the greenery. River is flowing, mountain is there, animals are there, and so we have tried to depict all. And further, the best thing about this model is that these all things are biodegradable. No plastic is there, nothing, all sort of. And further, that only we have tried to depict with that tree plant. And that is working also.
Direct him to us. In fact, the parents are waiting here. Meet Ram San 73.
Conclusion plan for our model.
Then here it is our profit pie chart. Here when we put our ecosystem, then it shows the green line. It means it is beneficial for us. But when we remove this and when we put this humans, it beats the red line. It completely shows that humans are not good for our ecosystem. They are destroying it. So right as eco-guards, we are here to protect our nature.
Something, isn't it? Yes, sir. We have to converting this. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Goodbye. So you are representing the Green Revolution. Yes. Good.
Wallah Habibi.
Oh, great. Yeah, wow.
Control the world. Now it's our turn to rule the world.
Oh, petrol.
Wishing
It's
a
rolling,
memorial.
but how long it will roll? How big is the reserve down there? Huh? It will dry one day.
One day will not.
Look for alternatives. Magic. One magic I began there.
This one is the better.
We are changing color by the just adding that solution to sodium sulfate again, and it will change its color.
That is one.
This
Then
one?
we electroplate. Copper on steel, any metallic object.
By passing current.
Electricity. Because the copper ions move from this copper plate to the solution and then to there. Concentration remain constant, so that copper plating continues till this gets disintegrated. Now it will change its state to the copper color.
Take time.
And it is high. I made the concentration high. So it travels faster. Yeah, this is how city gold is made. That fake gold is coated with gold. At our mother. And we have here at your hands, please.
My hand for what?
A little bit of cutting.
Press the button.
This is our coal mine. we have shown two types of mining, that is surface mining and underground mining. Our main motive is to tell you how coal.
All the best.
Yes.
This one is coal mines. I have seen the real one, so I'll escape this. This one is. Thank you.
Father, basically this is an anti-aircraft defense system. So our topic was physics.
It is based on the Iron Dome technology which is currently with the Israel. Now you might think what Iron Dome is. Iron Dome is actually an Israeli all-weather missile system which works in all the types of weather. It is developed by the Israeli Aerospace Industries and Rafale Advanced Defense Systems. Now what is the use of it? It is used to destroy the missiles upcoming from foreign countries which may harm our country. So within the range of about yes.
Computer. We have entirely adjusted everything according to this. We have depicted how will the city. But if the sensor will touch your hands, then you will lose. If the monster touches any of the obstacle, then also you will lose. If the monster will demonstrate it.
Hello. How are you?
And this is by Class 12, which is the science division of our school. So this here we have shown our rural areas and which is henceforth very useful to city. Rural areas will be electricity, they develop into smart cities. These smart cities, now the hydroelectric roads which are having street lamps now and cities that are having high rises also. So this is how we are showing that water is a very
Here, there are things also now. Kids also grow in their intelligence. How to, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So it was easier to steal here. Now in different ways.
But rather we love to use outfit there.
That's right. Oh, I'm a rich man now.
कोई काम नहीं है दिन भर बस पीछे पीछे चलते
Now I have to go there with Yes, Father, it is from there I have to remove the crowd. From
Thank you. Activated.
Yes, I have made by myself.
Wow, congratulations before I understand what you have done.
Sir, I have made a model which works on small batteries, which we use in our homes for using toys and batteries. Sir, this uses this small batteries and it can produce a high amount of energy, more than 400. So you can see it is 343. And
and this all is only of 20 volts, and we can use and we can do many more things using this. When we talk about the villages, there are many poor childs who cannot afford electricity. My model can provide them electricity in just ₹4 per day. So just ₹4, and if we use my model in vehicles, it can power the vehicle in free of cost. It means that we can run the vehicles as far as we want, and it will not take a single diesel or a single petrol. So my model, when I switch on the switch, the electricity starts flowing in the motor, and the motor starts revolving. And when the motor starts revolving, the car harness has a machine, and when it starts revolving, the electricity is produced in this right hand. And when this rotates, it is in the presence of magnet, it produces electricity. And this electricity is a high amount of electricity, more than 100 or 200 volts. And due to the vector, one produces 120 volts. So you can see 180, 200 volts. And all can produce 300 volts. It is because of vector addition. So when we talk about vector addition, it is addition of vector 1. It means that we cannot add 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. It is not like that. We have to calculate that 2 plus 2 according to the angles of this electricity of flow. When this motor rotates, it produces electricity, and this goes to the capacitor. It is the capacitor used.
Good afternoon. Five D.
Section D.
This one I showed there.
Hydraulic.
Yeah, hydraulic. Automatic straight. Solar.
I am a leader of satellite automatic street lights are the major equipments in today's life transportation, process and avoiding accidents. If it is busy life, no one wants when government our project is reducing the solution to this. This automatic street light is a cost-effective, practical, eco-friendly and safest way to save energy. This tackles two problems, that is saving of energy and also disposal of incandescent lamps very efficiently. So let me tell you about its working. It automatically switches on lights whenever the sunlight goes below the vegetation of This is done by a sensor called light dependent resistor, in short LDR, which senses the light like our eyes. It automatically switches off lights whenever the sunlight comes visible to our eyes. These automatic street lights are used to provide lighting in industries, campuses and parking areas. So that's all about our project. Thank you for your interest in our project.
If it is cloudy day, no sunshine.
If there will be only darkness, then only it will appear.
Escape of you. Escape of you.
Wait.
Wait. Good. Welcome. Because after the sunny part that side, here it is better. Where are you? You are appearing only now. But well done. Well presented. Yes. Only God's side. Finish your side. Very marvelous, very crisp. They have worked hard and they explained well. They are going to present. They know how it functions, why it functions. Yes. And one is there. He has used his own creativity. Shaurya. I see. Class 12? 8. 97
Thank are playing games. Please come fast.
Thank you, Father. It was nice having you program. We are enjoying it.
Congratulations. Very well
So, once in 3 years. One year we have formative years, 1 year culture,
1 year sport.
Again, we come back after 2 years.
ओए, एग्जीबिशन में आ गया तो टाइम में लगवा देते तो वहीं से कुछ लेक्चर सुनेगा क्लास मिस कर ले तो वहीं से सुनेगा हेलो तो किस क्लास में है So,
Where are you now?
Father, I have fulfilled your desire.
अरे यहाँ तो बेटा मतलब बोल मना कर दो
Please keep moving.
there's no need to sell it. This doesn't come and sell it out. Because that crowd is there, they cannot impose. So one crowd is there.
उनको असुविधा हो रही है, वो भी देखिए आप, अब वो देखिए लग जाएगा
Please, he's going to say. So here's the title of the performance. And then you next move. Claudia Rivard. Claudia Rivard of class 16. If you are listening to me, just move to the stage. Be quick.
गुड़िया दी लोग वहाँ पर है, वहाँ पर स्टॉल में सेकंड वाले में, बगल वाले स्टॉल में
The process of transmitting it into the energy carries out, and once it's transmitted into the energy, it's sent to the cities and industries for various bases of work and electricity. And we are having one more energy, generally known as hydroelectricity. So in this, what happened? What loaded? The gates of when the gates of the dams are opened
sand, water, and then it will contain. But the water is not so much pure that it can be used in drinking. So we are drinking purposes. And after that, in water softening, so that it can be used in medicines and generators.
गैस
मोर कॉस्टली।
इसमें आ जाओ, इसमें
क्या कि जो गाय खड़े और मिक्सर में डाले तो एक स्लरी टाइप का हो जाएगा और उससे गैस